In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly for Slack. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or simply messaging a friend, clear, polished communication is key. Although Grammarly isn't integrated directly into Slack, there's a simple way you can leverage it to enhance your messaging experience. First, what you'll need to do is head over to your web browser, preferably Google Chrome, since that's where you can add Grammarly as an extension. Once you're in Chrome, navigate to the extension section and search for Grammarly for Chrome. Clicking on the right link will take you to the Chrome web store where you can easily install it. If you haven't done this before, it's a quick and straightforward process. Once you're there, just click on the Add to Chrome button. After a few moments, you'll see a prompt asking for confirmation, and you'll proceed by clicking Next. After confirming, continue by clicking Continue, just to wrap up the installation process. It's important to ensure the extension is properly installed, so check for the little G icon in the top right corner of your browser, which signifies Grammarly is active. With Grammarly installed on your Chrome browser, we'll shift our focus back to Slack. Now head back to Slack and open up the message editor as you would normally do to communicate with your team or a specific channel. Begin typing your message as you do every day. With the Grammarly extension now running, you should notice that there's a small Grammarly icon nestled in the corner of the message editor field. This icon is your gateway to improved writing on Slack. When you type, Grammarly will automatically start reviewing your content for any spelling or grammatical errors. If there are any issues, the icon will highlight them. You can click on these highlights to see Grammarly's suggestions for corrections or enhancements. It's as simple as that. The best part is Grammarly doesn't just catch errors, it also offers suggestions to make your writing more concise and impactful. Finally, if you encounter any errors or have any uncertainties, simply click the highlighted areas, and Grammarly will guide you with suggestions on how to fix or improve each point. This means without any additional steps, you can ensure that your Slack messages are as professional and clear as possible. It's a seamless integration that lets you bring the power of Grammarly to your Slack conversations without hassle. So there you have it. By following this guide, you'll have the tools you need to craft flawless messages in Slack, bolstered by the trusted expertise of Grammarly right at your fingertips. Whether it's catching overlooked errors or boosting your message's tone, you'll always present your best self in your communications. Happy chatting.